Hello my dear ones, welcome back again to writing session, and today we are going to learn to write cursive capital O and P. Now previous classes you all have learnt cursive small writing, and from now onwards we are learning cursive capital, and you all know O says O. O says O and P says P. O says O and P says P. So today we are going to write cursive capital O and P. So let's move ahead. O for orange, O for owl, and O for onion. This is cursive capital O. And next, this is the formation how you have to write O, cursive capital O. You have to write cursive capital O like this. O is for octopus. You can see here how you have to write. Okay. So be careful and learn like this. You all have to write O, cursive capital O. Now we will learn to trace cursive capital O. We will learn the formation how to write cursive capital O. So look carefully here children and follow the method how I am teaching you. Starting from here up, go down, curve, go up, then from here inside, turn and slide, come out. Cursive capital O. Again we will see. Starting from up, down, curve, again go up, turn. From here you have to move inside, curve and slide out. Cursive capital O. And now again we will see. Starting from up, down, up, turn inside and slide out. Cursive capital O. Starting from up, down, up, inside, turn and slide, go out. And start your O from here, okay, then curve down. See how Miss is writing. Again go up, then inside you have to make a curve and then go out, slide out. And without lifting your hand and pencil, you all have to write. Okay. First you do like this, then this. So this is the wrong method. You have to follow how Miss is writing. Okay. So be careful. You all know O. So starting from up, take your hand down, curve. Again go up, and inside you have to make a curve and slide out. Cursive capital O. Now we will write in the 4-line page. We will learn to write cursive capital O in 4-line. So here you can see this is the margin. From here you have to write. And write the date on the top. So be careful children and look carefully how Miss is writing. starting from top red line, make a curve till second blue line, go up to the red line, come down to the first blue line and slight turn. Cursive capital O. Again we will write, starting from first blue line, you have to come down, make a curve till second blue line, then again go top red line, then inside curve and out, and see how Miss is moving the hand. Be careful children, write slowly in your 4-line book and follow the method which Miss is writing. Starting from first red line, come down to the second blue line, go up to the red line, come down first blue line, slight turn out. Cursive capital O. Starting from red line, come down to the blue line, go up, inside first blue line touch and slide out. Cursive capital O. And as I told you children, your writing should not go out of the red line, or it should not be like this. This is the wrong method. Yes, you have to follow the lines starting from red line, down blue line, up red line touch, come out, slight cursive capital O. Now after O, we learn cursive capital P. This is cursive capital P. P for penguin and P for pencil, P for parrot, P for penguin and P for pineapple. This is cursive capital P. Yes, and now we will learn how to write cursive capital P. So, look carefully and see how Miss is writing. Now, standing line, make a loop outside, go up and then curve inside, cursive capital P. Now again we will see, standing line, loop outside, up, curve inside, P, cursive capital P. Again, standing line, loop outside, inside curve, cursive capital P. Standing line, make a loop outside, inside curve, cursive capital P. Now, be careful children, how Miss is writing, you have to follow that. So, from first red line to the first blue line, we will start P, go up to the red line, then touch the first blue line, curve, cursive capital P. Again, between the red line and blue line, we will start standing line, take up to the first red line, inside curve, touching the first blue line. Again, between these first red line and first blue line, we'll start standing line till the second blue line, then loop outside, touch the first red line, curve, cursive capital P. Again standing line, loop outside, touch the first red line and then the blue line, cursive capital P. Again we'll see starting in from between these two lines, second blue line touch, make a loop out, go up to the red line, curve to the first blue line, cursive capital P. And see children, your writing should not go out of the red line. This is wrong. You don't have to lift your pencil also, and don't write like this. This is also the wrong method. Yes? Again we'll see between these two lines, go up to the red line, then P, cursive capital P. So today we'll learn joining of three letters, and three letters are P, M and G. Without lifting your hand, you have to write P, M, G. You have to join M to P and G with M. Okay, again we'll see. Be careful children, without lifting your pencil and hand, you have to write joining letters. Okay, first we'll write P, then M and G. Okay, so write neatly how Miss is writing. You can also write M, G and P. You all have already learnt cursive small letters. So be careful in writing and follow how Miss is writing. M, G, P. Without lifting your pencil, you have to write. Okay. Again children, be careful. See how Miss is writing. P, M, G. Joining of three letters. It is for practice. Okay. You can write any three letters, but without lifting your pencil and hand. Like this you all have to write. Okay. Children, I hope you all understood how to write cursive capital O and P. Be careful in writing children. Follow the lines and follow the method how I have taught you. Okay. So do the homework in very good and neat handwriting. Bye and have a good day.